Creating an app or website has always been a slow process full of testing, changes, and rework, but that has just changed. Gemini 3 Flash has arrived at Stitch and brought exactly what was missing: speed. Now you can test ideas, change the look, adjust details, and try out several versions in just a few minutes without getting stuck along the way. Instead of getting stuck trying to get everything right the first time, you simply test, compare, and improve. It's a faster, smoother, much smarter way to create, just the way it should be. So before I show you all of this in practice, subscribe to the channel. And to watch the videos without ads, just click the join button. Deal? So let's get to the video. Well guys, today I want to show you this new feature that was just announced here by the folks at Stitch by Google. Listen up. Gemini 3 Flash is coming to Stitch. Faster iterations help you create better products. Now you can explore more ideas faster and with exceptional quality. If you need more reasoning capabilities, use the Pro version. We found that the best results come from quickly experimenting with several options, exploring different possibilities before arriving at the perfect design. So, instead of trying to do everything at once using Gemini 3 Pro, they released Gemini 3 Flash so you can make several attempts and choose the best result in the end. And if you want to use it from now on, you can do it without a VPN here in Brazil, and what's even better, without having to pay anything. Deal? So let's go to Stitch and I'll show you now how to use Gemini 3 Flash. Look, when you enter the tool here, in the models section we have Fast, the 3 Flash which has just been released, the 3 Pro which is the most advanced, and the redesign which is the one you use Nano Banana Pro to make some changes to the design of your app or your website. So, to start, I'm going to choose the model here. The 3 Flash, I'll paste my prompt and I'll send it. Done. It's already finished, and in less than 15 seconds it gave me this result. So, the secret of Gemini 3 Flash is exactly that, the speed. You generate it once, and if you don't like it, you can generate it again, and you don't have to wait many minutes to get a new result. It gives you everything really quickly and with great quality. Just take a look at the interface I created for this app here, for monitoring physical activities. It generated the first page, the second, and I asked it to generate a third page here, which was its own suggestion. And look how cool this result turned out. Detail. All of this in less than 15 seconds. It already gave me these first 2 pages here. I did the third one later, but it turned out really cool. Now I'm going to use the same prompt with Gemini 3 Pro just so you can see the difference. Look, the same prompt. Home page of the physical activity tracking app in Portuguese. I'm going to change it to Pro now and send it. See that now it's saying here that it's going to take 110 seconds to deliver just a single page to me. While over there, on Gemini 3 Flash, it took 15 seconds to deliver 2 pages to me. Here it's saying it's going to take 110 seconds to deliver just one. Let's see the quality. Alright, it's finished here, and look at the result it delivered to me. And it took exactly 110 seconds to deliver this result here. Let me even zoom out a bit here so we can see it better. You can see that in appearance, there's not much difference from that app I got using Gemini 3 Flash. I'll go back there so we can compare. Take a look at the result. It turned out very similar, even with the same colors. So sometimes it's not worth using Gemini 3 Pro because it will take a long time. And if you need to make any changes, it will take even longer. So sometimes it's better to use Gemini 3 Flash because it will give you results. Then, if you don't like it, you can change it, and you don't have to wait several minutes for it to give you the best result. So, I think for most people, using Gemini 3 Flash is the best option. Because you won't have to wait around not just for the initial generation, but also for any changes you might need to make. And another advantage of using Gemini 3 Flash is that any change you make here with the interface you just generated will be much faster. So, it's not just the initial generation. Everything you do with this new model becomes faster. Take a look. I'm going to select these 3 pages here. I'm going to click on Generate. Then I can prototype. That means I'll be able to see here inside Stitch how each part of my interface is working. So I'm going to click here to make the prototype. And it's already generating a fully functional interface for me here. Take a look. Prototype created in less than 50 seconds. Let's see if it's working. I'll click here on Interact. And look at that. All the buttons here are working perfectly. Look how cool that is. So I can preview everything that's going to happen with my app. One detail. Using Gemini 3 Flash, this prototype here was ready in less than 50 seconds. In the tests I did here at home, when I was using Gemini 3 Pro, it took about 1.5 to 2 minutes to give me a result similar to this one. Remember that with the new tools here in Stitch, after I create my prototype, I can make edits by clicking here on Edit Prototype. Here in Preview, I can view it on the tablet, on the desktop, and obviously on the phone. By clicking on More, I can show the code. So here I have all the code that was used to create my interface, my application. If I want, I can copy it and take it to another tool to add more interactions to edit basically whatever I want. Or I can also click here on Download and save a zipped file with all the code, all the files directly to my computer. And I can also export. So, by clicking here on Export, I have the option to send it to AI Studio, which is really cool. I'll show you in a moment, since I can export it. Create a complete app over in Jules, which is that Google app that allows you to make more edits inside your app. You can also save it in zip format or copy the code and send it to your clipboard. I'll put it here in AI Studio. I'll put a basic prompt here. I'm using my prototype to create my app and I'll take it to AI Studio. The best part is I don't have to pay anything. It already brought my app's image here. It completed my prompt. I'm going to use Gemini 3 Flash again and I'll ask it to create. Done. In 95 seconds it generated my app for me. Take a look. Everything is working perfectly. Obviously, if you want to make any changes, just come here to the prompt field and type what you want. Another thing, here inside AI Studio, you have some suggestions that it gives you to help enhance your app. So, you can add artificial intelligence features, activity details in this case for the app, filter and sort activities, weekly progress visualization, set daily goals, dark theme for the AI coach. So everything is available here for you to create your app without having to pay anything. So you go to Google Stitch, use Gemini 3 Flash, which will give you more chances to test, make mistakes, and start over without having to wait for the reasoning of Gemini 3 Pro. So, since everything is much easier and much faster, you create your interface, make your prototype, and export it to Google AI Studio. Then you come here and see your app ready for you to use. If you like the result, if you think your app looks good, you can download this app directly to your computer. You can share it, save it on GitHub. So if you work with this platform, that option is available too. Or if you want, you can deploy this app on Google Cloud. But for that, you'll need to have a paid API key. To make it work, just click here on the little rocket. It already tells you here to select a paid API key. Then, you'll have to link it with your credit card. And from there, you'll deploy your application, and it will be deployed there on Google Cloud. The only thing is that for this you need to have a paid API key. It's not much, because it will use the tokens from Gemini 3 Flash, which are cheaper than those from Gemini 3 Pro, but even so, you'll have to spend some money to be able to deploy it using Google Cloud. But if you don't know how to use other tools to do this implementation, Google lets you deploy it on Google Cloud. But for that, you need to pay something, okay? So guys, give it a try. Gemini 3 Flash is available for free here inside Stitch. You can create your own interface. It's going to be much faster. If you make a mistake, you can redo it. Ask it to translate to Brazilian Portuguese. Set it to dark theme. Add a page. Delete the page. Anyway, create your design here inside Stitch and then bring it here to Google AI Studio. It will take your design and turn it into a functional application. And then you can publish and share it however you want. So give it a try and then come back here in the comments to let me know. What did you think of this new way to create your design inside Stitch using Gemini 3 Flash? So, did you like this new feature? Do you use Stitch in your daily routine? Is it a useful tool? Let me know in the comments, okay? I'll see you in the next video. Bye bye.